The following is a demonstration of the application of AirSep's evaporator cleaner and AC Odor Shield. For the basic process, you will need one bottle of AC Odor Shield and AirSep's patented AltiFlex pressure spray tool. The AltiFlex pressure spray tool is essential to proper application and ensures proper automation of sanitizing products.
The AltiFlex pressure spray tool uses compressed air to help spray through tightly packed evaporator fins, so your evaporator treatment reaches the nooks and crannies where odor-causing contaminants hide. AltiFlex features a precision atomizing tip that sprays liquids at the correct droplet size to give proper coverage of the surfaces being sprayed. And AltiFlex is flexible. It bends to spray into hard-to-reach locations. That will save your back when you're trying to spray under the dash. Shake the bottle of AC Odor Shield and remove its cap. Insert the AltiFlex tool's plastic suction tube into the AC Odor Shield bottle and you are ready to spray.
For dirtier cars, use the 2-can kit, which consists of evaporator cleaner and AC Odor Shield. Typical complete application time of AC Odor Shield should take 20 to 25 minutes. Application of the 2-can kit is estimated at 35 to 40 minutes.
Alright, we've already looked at the mighty book. We found that this particular model has a cabin air filter. Its location is easily accessible through the glove box. Opening it up and pushing the glove box here, we can get it down here. There's a cover on the cabin air filter. Squeezing this pops it out, making the cabin air filter easily accessible. Pulling it out and looking at the cabin air filter becomes quite apparent that this definitely needs a replacement. So we will replace the cabin air filter, but the customer has already been discussing with us the ability to sanitize the core to get rid of the current odor that they have with the thing, as well as coating it with a AC Odor Shield to prevent mold and mildew from occurring in the future. So as long as we have this off here, we make sure that the evaporator has been dried. In other words, the air conditioner has been run for 10 minutes, so it's dry. We got an accessibility to the fan. At this point, we're going to use the AC special tool with the sanitizer on it, hooking it up to the tool. We'll then start the car. Assure that the compressor is not on. In this particular case, you can do it through the dash control. You notice when you push it on, the light's on, you push it off. In other words, we're running the entire AC recirc through warm air through the evaporator core, high blower with no compressor on, so we're not getting the evaporator wet. At that point, we take the turret, we aim it in the center here, and we pulse it. This is a type of tool that will cause atomization, but we don't want to have a continuous stream because it causes an excessive buildup of material on the blower fan and possible reliability. So we shoot 1 second, we stop, we wait, do it again, and we continue this process for 3 to 5 minutes or until we're out of material. Another method we could use to improve this thing is if you have available a piece of tape, we can cover up the opening, which is going to enhance the ability for this to be atomized. Using a special tool to puncture a hole in it, otherwise known as a screwdriver, we can put a hole in the tape. And the purpose of the hole is to enable our particular atomizing tool. You go through here and we continue the process. 1 second on, 3 off, and continue this and finishing it off. This generally does a better job of atomizing, but if you can't do it, just take a little longer in between. Once you're through, you let the system run for 10 minutes to dry the material that's on there. What we've done is we've sanitized the entire evaporator, so you're not going to have an odor problem. We're coming back here with the AC Odor Shield for the second part of the process here. Again, we use the same method we did with the sanitation, except with different material. We're pulsing it 1 second on, we stop, wait 3 to 5 seconds, and we continue doing this for the 3 to 5 minutes or until our 4 ounces is done. Once the bottle has been emptied, we stop the process. We let the blower motor and the recirc go on for another 10 minutes again. The objective here is to dry the material on the evaporator core, and we then wait for the 10 minutes doing something else. It's been 10 minutes already. We can shut the car off. In effect, we're done. Remove your tape. Install a brand new Mighty filter into the box, making sure the arrows are going in the right direction, which you'll validate with the cover. Notice the arrow going here. Put the cover back on. And the only thing required then is to make sure our glove box goes back on.